what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs. Today I'm out and about down by the White House that's right behind me, and you can see the beautiful new flag that was erected. It is day before Christmas Eve, so I guess that is Christmas Eve, and I'm out and about. I'm up to really no good. I decided to come down to the White House and check out these new Christmas decorations. It looks really nice. Every window has a wreath. It looks very elegant, and the park is open. As you can see, this is Lafayette Park. It's open. Everyone is here taking their photos with the new White House, and I am about to go and walk around DC, experience the DC Christmas market. We have a few. My favorite is the one at DuPont Circle, but there's another one at the Portrait Gallery. If you're familiar with DC, we have tons of museums, and every one of these museums are just iconic, and one of them at the Portrait Gallery has the Christmas market, probably the biggest one in DC. Next up, I'm actually shopping for a gift. I gotta pick up the wife a gift. I can't tell you what that is because she'll probably watch this video and know that I'm getting her some kind of a gift. So I gotta go to the Apple store and pick up that gift. So come along on this one walk tour of DC. I've done so many videos of this beautiful city that I love, from back in 2017 to we're in 2020, going into 2026. We're in 2025. As we walk around and explore DC. So couple of things. That is the White House right there. Behind the White House is the National Mall. National Mall has a ton of museum. Behind that is the Washington Monument, which is that pyramid, that slim pyramid that erects high in the sky. And then we have a ton of monuments, Martin Luther King, Thomas Jefferson, all the different history making persons. And this is like the White House where folks will come. Over there is like a media center where the media will record, and then that's also an entrance there for, I guess, the West Wing. And then you can hear the construction in the background where the president is implementing a ballroom. I'm gonna see if I can get around it, but there's not much to see. It's just construction equipment. I do have to go to 9th and New York Street right now, so let's tag along. But before that, let me walk around and give you a little tour of DC. These are the White House squirrel feasting here. Look at all the leaves. You can see him there. And there's another view of Lafayette Park. As you can see, we have no snow. It's very green, but it's a beautiful park, a nice park with a lot of history. And it's called Lafayette Park. When you walk around the White House, you will find a lot of these statues. So this is one of them. This is Frederick William Henry statue, and there are a lot of these here are spread out on Lafayette Park. Alright, a little bit more DC. This is 8th Street, which continues there, and this is Pennsylvania Avenue. This goes all the way down to the White House. And we are heading to the Apple store, which is a library. It's called the Carnegie Library that was converted to an Apple store, and we have a little bit of construction going on right now. A couple of buildings that I recognize over there. That's the International Monetary Fund, or the IMF building. This is another trade building. It's called the Office of Trade Representation. And look at this beautiful building that we're coming up to. It's on 17th Street. I actually seen this building multiple times, but I don't know what it is. So this is the first time I'm actually going to try to figure out what this building is. So let's check it out. I got confirmation that's the Dwight Eisenhower building right behind me. And as you can see, it's a really beautiful building. But it looks like no one has been inside. Let's continue to explore DC. Over there we have the monument, the George Washington Monument. Alright, another symbolic place we have here is the Red Cross. This is a building here for the folks who died in the wars. It's actually a historical building and a really nice place in DC. And right across the Red Cross is the George Washington Tower. And we have some more historical buildings around that I'll show you as I make my way over to the Carnegie Library in the Apple Store. This is another historical building. It's called the National Society Daughters of American Revolution. And it's right there. I'm actually gonna cut across over here. Alright, we made it. So over there is the Apple Store, which also is the, or used to be, the Carnegie Library. And Apple bought this store over, or the library over, renovated it and turned it into an Apple Store, and then upstairs has like an art gallery of the library. So we're gonna check it out. I gotta pick up this gift. Alright, here we are, the Apple Store, or the Carnegie Library, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna check it out and explore it a little bit and grab this gift for a special someone and then head back home. And right down there is the mistletoe competition, where we broke the Guinness World Record of the most kisses under mistletoe. We'll check it out another day. Well, let's grab this gift before it's sold out. Alright, here we are. We got the Apple product. So right below me, they will actually have like shows when they're releasing a new iPhone, or they're doing tutorials of the new Apple product. And over here is actually a library that was resurrected when Apple purchased the building. And then over here is a gallery. I'm not sure if it's open right now, but it's a gallery with different portraits of historical folks. So it's only open from Thursday to Sunday, and you can get a little glimpse there of the library. But it's very cool. So hopefully this person that's getting this Apple gift likes it, and hopefully you enjoy this trip around DC. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. We'll have more content coming up soon. Let's check this out, the Art Gallery. Not sure if it's open. Oh, cool. Alright, that is it for the video. We'll see you on our next adventure.